Hi, my fashionistas. You are welcome back again to BG's Airways TV, your number one channel of choice when it comes to fabulous black women hairstyles. Looking for fresh, fabulous hairstyles for short hair, whether you are rocking a pixie cut, bob, or a tapered style. This video has the perfect looks for every vibe and occasion. From casual, everyday style to elegant evening looks, we are serving inspiration and easy to follow tutorials for all short hair queens. In this video, you will discover trendy short hair styling ideas, quick everyday hairstyles that take under 5 minutes, heatless hairstyles for damage-free beauty, tips for adding volume and texture, accessories to elevate your short hair game. No matter your hair texture, straight, wavy, or coily, these styles are made to help you feel confident and look amazing. Join the short hair movement if you love creative hairstyles and self-expression through hair. This channel is for you. Subscribe and hit the bell notification so you never miss a video. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this video from the beginning to the end, and you'll be glad you did. And have a splendid week ahead. Bye.